All right, so how to fix one of these Grover style tuners. What happens a lot of times is the gear, okay, inside, and the screw that holds the gear comes undone. And it's pretty common with these. So you know this is a, quote, sealed back. So when you get the whole thing apart, you're going to have this. All you need to do is take usually like a little punch and just going to push it right through, and this piece comes right off. But just to show you quickly how to get this, once you get this piece out, because you're going to see the screw floating around, you're going to be turning the tuner, nothing's going to be happening. You got to get this piece in first, which is your main gear. And you can see your main gear in there. It's going to turn around. All right. And then what you're going to do from this point, because you're going to see this is where your piece is going to push through, right? And this is usually what comes undone. So when you put this in, you're going to put this with the hex side down. Okay. So the hex side is going to go down. And then when you feed your peg through, you're going to see it's going to match up. And it is going to fit into a groove, and it's going to look just like that. All right, so you can see as I'm turning here, okay, and it's not going to work until I put my screw in, and then you're going to take your Phillips screw. I'm going to grab my screwdriver, all right, and I'm just going to tighten this in, okay. Oh, let me go back, and that is what happens. Yes, so hold on. Quickly. It is a little bit of a pain as you can sit here to get all your pieces in. Again, this has to go first. Drop your gear down if you want. In fact, you can even go ahead and feed your screw. Where are we at here? There we go. Perfect. Gear goes down. Again, we're going to drop our screw in, but you will see, probably a little bit easier doing it this way. Let me grab my magnetic screwdriver. There we go. Sometimes. Perfect. It's going to go just like that. And then if I just hold my finger and I feed through the bottom here, you're going to see it does have to fit. There is a groove. If it's a little bit hard to see, you do have to kind of match it up a little bit. It's kind of like a little bit like a puzzle, but it will go through there. I'm going to add my screwdriver to put some pressure on the other side. There we go. And then once you get it screwed, you're going to start to, feel this piece pull in, which is what we want. And there we go. It's nice and snug. All right. So now as I'm turning back and forth, all right, you're going to see here, this is going to turn and the gears all match up. All right. So that's the way that's going to look. All right. So that's, again, this piece here. If I can show you, this is the screw that comes undone a lot. If you want, I'm just going to put one little drop of oil in here. Not a lot. Again, it's sealed, so it's not going to attract dirt, but I just want to put one little drop in there. And then our reverse process. All right, before I put the cap on, I just want to make sure everything's going to work. I'm going to put my piece on here. All right, and as I'm spinning now, all right, perfect. I can see my gear. Okay, turning and spinning the way it is supposed to. All right, so again, that's kind of the whole key there. Again, you do have your washers here. All right, so I'm going to put my plastic washer. It's going to go on the outside. Okay, it's going to look just like that. And then I'm going to put my holder on. There goes my outside screw with the hold on one second. I do apologize. With the black washer. There we go. There's the black washer. Black, white, peg. There we go. Our screw. Again, we're going to tighten this down. Your little Phillips screwdriver. You don't have to go crazy with this. You're going to see where this tightens up. It'll start to spin. Just hold it with your fingers. Get it snug. Don't over tighten it too much. All right, but we can see now the gear close. Okay, and it's spinning the way it's supposed to. And once I have confirmed that everything is working the way it's supposed to, I'm now going to go ahead and take my cap, and I'm going to put my cap back on. All right, and usually it snips right in. Perfect. It is nice and flush. All right, and if you really want to, you can take a little rubber mallet, if you got one, just a few There we go, light taps, it's not coming off. And then of course, once you get this fed in, this is where your main gear is going to go. And we have it reassembled, our Grover tuner. So this is the way it's going to look, our Grover style tuner. And again, thankfully now it is turning, okay, exactly the way it's supposed to. So again, if you have an issue, just pop this cap off though, but it's this screw inside, and unfortunately when that comes loose, this is what you're left with. But when you're done, you now have a Grover tuner that is once again operating and hopefully will give you years of good service. Thanks for watching.